Hey there, welcome to day 1425 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, sharing my experience in documenting the journey of transitioning from brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business, back and forth, etc. 27 plus different industries, offline, lost count online, as well as over a quarter century in corporate America. Well, today is Christmas Eve, so I'm calling this one Christmas Eve Surprise. And I am just now getting to doing my videos because I found out late yesterday that Christmas Eve is going to be at our house. So all kinds of things that need to be changed and arranged and taken care of to make that happen in a way that will be fun for everyone. And I guarantee it'll be fun for everyone, even though it's a little bit stressful. Our idiom for supersize your business today, tomorrow will be our last Christmas idiom, but then we'll go into end of the year or ending in the idioms for the rest of the year, was like turkeys voting for Christmas. And we compared how and is supersizing your business like turkeys voting for Christmas, meaning are you doing things as you're growing and building your business that might be self-sabotaging or not necessarily moving you as quickly and easily in the direction you want to go in terms of growing and creating the business you want. So we talked about that in a very convoluted way, I'm sure. My granddaughter stayed overnight last night and my son, and we had a fun time last night. Had a fun day today so far, but getting ready for Christmas Eve. And so I sent him to get some errands and pull some pieces together along with her so I could quickly make my videos today. One of the challenges of committing to myself that I'd make videos every day is there are days when life gets in the way and the world happens, and we have to be really flexible in terms of when and where we're going to create our content and what we're going to share. So that's today for sure. Our Get Up and Go Challenge, day 24 today, was about mental soap, our mental framework and our mindset and our thoughts and our beliefs with the soap framework applied to it. And I shared a tool called affirmations and talked about how to do those, how to create those, gave some examples about what I'm going through right now today, and then an affirmation that anybody could use to make their life better. And it's a very foundational starting one. So if you don't want to do your own, you can just practice that one for 3 times today and see how that makes you feel. Do it for a week and see how it makes you feel. I guarantee you'll feel better and you'll notice changes in your life. It's a very, very powerful tool, but we used it and applied it to the SOAP framework for our thinking, our mindset, our thoughts. Again, making sure we don't self-sabotage ourselves, because we have thoughts and beliefs that can easily mess us up if we're not careful. Our annual challenge to do one thing every day that centers us today was the beginning of a 3-part saying. And today we were, I need a magnifying glass, which is in my lap, sharing how living well led to success today. And so it's a 3-part saying day, so it's kind of nice over the holidays. So Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, day after Christmas will be pretty easy because it's all based on the same saying. That's it. That's all I've got. I've got a gazillion things to do to get ready for Christmas. If I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, like everybody else, enjoy your holidays, your holiday season, and I will be with you tomorrow.